So again, quick trade on a 1 minute chart on the ES. And what I liked here was, yeah, actually I wanted to talk about the take profit here again. I think it's
Um,
important. The reasoning was, can you tell us the reasoning behind this trade?
I'm still trading on a simulator. I'm not using I'm trying to understand the smart money concepts and coupling on over volume. Here, I basically took the fair value gap that
Mm-hmm.
occurred at about 10:30 or so, and
Uh-huh.
uh, then I waited until the price came up to that, and when I saw that bear blocks happening, I mean the bearish blocks getting created around like 11:42 or something. That's where I went like
Uh-huh.
short on that.
Uh-huh.
So
Uh-huh.
I've been trading with like a 5 micro lots, and then I take profit with 10 at around, I I sell three and let the two run. So I
Mm-hmm.
let the two run after my initial mm, take profit, which was around.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Oh yeah, I have a screenshot of that. I actually have that on this chart where you took those profits. First one, oh let's just um this is where you went short from, this red line.
yeah,
And first take profit was this this place.
yeah. I
And
think first I
the second one was
around that
this
point.
one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, I wanted to talk about this. First thing, the trade entry. I just wanted to say that if I was trading this, I would wait for the price to fill that fair value gap. Um,
Hmm.
to trade
Okay.
from the top, that's what I do for a short trade scenario. So that would be the first reason. Second reason, those reactions. As the price was like bouncing off this level
Yeah.
in the past, right? So that's support becoming resistance setup. And also this is like the beginning of that heavy volume zone in here. So that's why I would enter from this place.
Hmm.
This, as you can see, it would be a better trade entry, but this was good as well. Good spotting that fair value gap. I would wait a little bit more though.
Yeah, I think I
But
was a little. Um, I think I reacted a little bit too fast because I was regretting. As the price was moving against me, I just got lucky. I think it felt like I got lucky that time. It could have easily gone through the FVG and broken my things, but I think I
that's why
almost
you
got.
took. Huh?
Yeah. No, I mean that I have a default there. Like I try if I go on a 5 micro lots and I sell three about like when I get my initial tick and then
Uh-huh.
I let the two run. That's what I've been playing around, but I think I need to get better on that with. So I just got
Maybe
lucky.
you took the first profit because you almost got stopped out,
Yeah,
right? So
I
that's
was
you took the first one so quickly, right?
that was my like the fear kicking in. I said, oh, let me take some money here. Like,
Yeah. I thought it would be the case when I saw the chart because I wasn't really sure like what was the reasoning behind this take profit here. So
yeah.
I was thinking, oh, maybe like the price went against him, then it was rotating for so long, and he was in red numbers all the time. So maybe he just
Yeah,
chickened out in here.
yeah, that's exactly what happened. And I think as I begin to trust the levels more, I think I'm just developing a little bit more trust in my levels, that the levels I'm putting in. I
Hmm.
think I think
Oh yeah.
it was just lack of my trust that was showing up. Oh, this is like this is working against me. Let me get out
Hey,
of
that's fine. That's fine. It's good that you are able to identify that. So that's
it. Yeah.
important. Like I wanted to show you where like my first take profit would be. If you look at the volume profile, like again, I used
Yeah.
the profile over that area where the price was going towards the level. That's what I always do. So the first high volume zone, easy to spot in here. So this would be the first profit, and the second one the same as you, this heavy volume zone. Were you watching the volume profile here when you were taking that
Yes,
screenshot?
I did. Later, I did. I always have another volume profile chart on my other windows, so I was looking at the volume profile levels as well. So that's what
Perfect.
you get out of the trade.
One more thing I noticed here was that first deviation of the weekly view up being close, so that's another factor why to quit the trade in here. Let me show this on order flow to
Hmm.
show you guys what actually happened here. Were you watching the order flow or not?
I had order flow on my window on a 1 minute order flow, so that's what I was looking at.
1 minute.
Yeah,
Okay, this is 5 minute.
yeah.
Um, this is the level. This is the short level. And
Hmm.
again, I'm always talking about absorption, and here it was a
Yeah,
beautiful one. Do you see, guys, all those massive volumes very close to the level? That's market absorbing the buying pressure. You see heavy
yeah.
volumes,
Hmm.
bid and ask everywhere. So that's a confirmation of that trade. Another thing I saw there, that's a little bonus here, but stacked imbalance, those are the blue numbers. A stacked imbalance means that if it's like this,
Yes.
then sellers are way more aggressive than buyers. You always compare, like, let me zoom this in. Um, you're always comparing like diagonally. So you're comparing those numbers, and if the
Hmm.
number on bid is 3 times or bigger than this one, and this one, then it gets highlighted in blue. That means sellers are way more aggressive than buyers. And this is like when you see 3 or more stacked, then that's a strong signal that sellers are aggressive here. Also, my order flow prints this sort of a zone there.
Yeah.
Uh, um, like I'm not trading just based on this, but this is like an additional piece of the
Valid.
puzzle. You
Yeah.
know, you see, the
Yeah. It
price hits
validates.
that.
It does validate the things. Yes.
We almost had like a huge stack of 5. If only this was bigger, we would have like 5, and that would be even stronger confirmation. But yeah, I just wanted to show you those stacked imbalances, like that's something little extra. Um, so let's
So I
talk
think
about.
I got a little impatient with that trade as well as entry is concerned. Like I didn't want to like FOMO kicked in and I didn't want to miss the trade. I said, okay, let me take this one.
Yeah, yeah. You just wanted to get in, and then
Yeah.
you wanted to get out.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So as I was talking about the first take profit, that will be in here. I just wanted to show you on order flow because there was also this double note when those nodes those when two heavy volume nodes are at the same level, like this one and this one, they get highlighted in yellow. It sort of tells you that this could be like a support or resistance, like
Okay.
just a small piece of puzzle. Again, it's not that strong signal to immediately jump long from this place now, but if you are thinking about taking a profit somewhere, then if the price reaches such a zone, then this could be the place to take the first profit. In this case, the price just shot past it. But
Yes.
as I was saying with one of the previous examples, it doesn't mean that this was like a weak level because the price didn't, react.
Hmm.
But as you can see in here, it reacted to the pip from the, other
Right.
side. This doesn't really concern your trade, but since we are looking at this, it's, I think, good to mention it. And the second take profit, this was actually a very good confirmation, like why to quit the trade there. Let me zoom out a bit. Those are the heavy volumes we saw on the volume profile earlier. You can see it
Yeah.
here as well. This was the second take profit you took. And look at here. This is massive
Huge.
volumes. This is huge, appearing right at this place with the heavy volumes. So like this is like a no-brainer, go out, you know, because price hit support and then something started to happen here. Very likely an absorption or something, you know, massive volumes. So that's shouting at you to just, you know, go out of that trade, which you did.
Yes.
Right. All right. Let me go to the next one.